Locksmith services are essential for every homeowner, business owner, and vehicle owner. Having a reliable locksmith on speed dial is crucial for maintaining security and peace of mind. Whether you're locked out, need a lock replaced, or want to upgrade your security, locksmiths are your go-to professionals. Let's explore the comprehensive range of locksmith services available in the colony. Emergency lockout services are a lifesaver when you find yourself locked out of your home, car, or office. A professional locksmith can quickly and safely get you back inside without causing damage to your property. Residential locksmith services include lock repair, replacement, rekeying, and installing new security systems. Enhance your home's security with high-security locks, smart lock installation, and master key systems. Commercial locksmith services are vital for businesses offering solutions like access control systems, master key systems, and high-security lock installation. Protect your business assets and ensure employee safety with tailored commercial security solutions. Automotive locksmith services cover car key replacement, ignition repair, transponder key programming, and car lockout assistance. Don't let a lost or broken car key ruin your day. Professional auto locksmiths can get you back on the road swiftly. When choosing a locksmith, look for licensed, insured, and experienced professionals. Sure Lock and Key in the colony offers reliable, efficient, and affordable locksmith services. Contact us today for all your locksmith needs and experience unparalleled service and security.